Each Rockwool production line is a complex set of machines, and it is our responsibility to manufacture these machines. The raw material dosing system uses variable frequency motors to ensure stable operation and precise dosing. The cupola furnace guarantees safety during high-temperature operation through safety measures and functionalities. The heat exchange system saves coke and natural gas consumption through residual energy recycling. The centrifuge has a high fiber formation rate, with options for belt drive and direct drive. The exterior and top casing of the drum collector are equipped with a water cooling structure to prevent fiber adhesion. The pendulum uses flat swing technology to ensure the consistency of the Rockwool board's density and improve the qualification rate of the Rockwool. The pleating machine uses a 6-stage pleating process. The front conveyor roller of the press adopts a water cooling structure to prevent the conveyor roller from sticking to the wool. The curing oven has a double-layer insulation and end mesh plate design, capable of producing various Rockwool boards with thicknesses ranging from 30 to 200 millimeters and densities from 3 to 20 kilograms per meter squared. The longitudinal cutting machine can be equipped with dust-free or standard cutting discs according to customer requirements. The cross-cutting machine adopts a double-disc design, allowing one to be in use and one in reserve, or both to be used simultaneously. The packaging system is equipped with various stacking and packaging methods and can be equipped with a robotic arm and a stretch hood machine. The dust removal system includes the cupola furnace dust removal system and the production line dust removal system, maximizing compliance with environmental requirements. The control system uses SCADA control, with the production line speed and binder spraying volume automatically tracked and adjusted according to production output. It also monitors, alarms, and maintains the real-time production status of the production line through an industrial cloud platform, achieving the goals of automation, intelligence, networking, and informatization of the production line. To become a successful Rockwool manufacturer, it is essential to partner with a reliable and experienced producer. Qingli stands as one of the few factories worldwide capable of producing a complete range of machinery for the Rockwool industry. By utilizing the MES system, we ensure real-time dynamic management, enabling us to trace the entire production process. With cutting-edge production lines and top-tier technical staff, Qingli incorporates quality control into every step of manufacturing. We achieve superior quality through standardized and streamlined production processes. We believe that only by improving our skills and developing our strengths can we serve our customers in the long term. We are dedicated to the research and development of Rockwool production line equipment and its supporting devices. We transform professional theories into industry standards and convert our talent advantages into technological advantages, continuously promoting collaborative innovation and joint development along the entire industrial chain. We focus on becoming a reliable partner for Rockwool manufacturers. Through years of development and accumulation of experience, we have gained a good reputation in the field of Rockwool machinery manufacturing. As a company committed to sustainable development, we have a clear plan for the future and boundless aspirations. We help the planet by creating advanced energy-saving machines and produce energy-efficient insulation materials for a better world. This is our unwavering mission.
Welcome to Qingli.
Qingli 欢迎您。